Halloween is right around the corner, and one of the best ways to start feeling all those good, creepy vibes is to get in on the fun and make a couple of Halloween-inspired snacks. To make your own spooky kabobs, you need marshmallows, strawberries, cheese, black food coloring, a toothpick, and skewers. For the marshmallows, I use black food coloring to draw a ghostly face on each marshmallow. Let the marshmallows dry for a few minutes before using. Wash the strawberries and remove the tops. Cube the cheese and you're ready to construct your kabobs. Add a marshmallow, strawberry, and a piece of cheese to the skewer. Repeat the pattern once more. Serve your fruit kabobs at a kid's Halloween party, classroom celebration, or a fun after-school snack. These spooky ghost fruit kabobs are the perfect healthy Halloween snack with all the candy that can be around. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.